Hello and welcome to Rose Red Homestead, where today I'm just going to show you a very light supper. And today's supper is going to be a recipe from Good Housekeeping, which we will put the link below, and it is called Savory Turkey Lettuce Wraps. It is late afternoon and Jim and I are getting hungry, and I'm just putting together something that is quick and easy. I have our carbon steel frying pan over our butane burner, heating up a little bit of avocado oil. And we have our carbon monoxide alarm going, and the back door is open and the window is open for venting purposes. So the first thing that we do is that we have a couple of bell peppers that I have diced that we're going to put right in this frying pan. So we're going to stir fry these for about, 3 or 4 minutes or so, and then we'll come back. So our peppers have sauteed for 3 minutes. I'm now going to add the garlic and the fish sauce. Turkey is pretty bland. We're using ground turkey, and so we're doing quite a few things to get some flavor into this dish. I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon of the fish sauce, and we'll see how that goes. Smelling really good. All right, here is our 1 pound of ground turkey. We're going to go ahead and crumble it up. It is a very wet meat. Ooh, it is really smelling wonderful. I'm going to put in that other tablespoon of the fish sauce. And now I'm adding the mint and the cilantro, the lemon juice, and a little bit of sugar. And we'll stir all of this together. And we'll just let this simmer for a couple minutes and we'll be right back. I am adding a little bit of salt and pepper, which is not called for in the recipe, but I just did a little bit of a taste test and it needs that little pick-me-up. Oh, the lime gives it such a lovely taste. The fish sauce is not fishy at all, but it adds some good flavor. And it says to serve it with Sriracha on the side, so that's what we're going to do. I have the lettuce prepared right here. I would love to have butter lettuce, but there was not any butter lettuce in our local store, so I'm just using this leafy green. And I've washed it and dried it. And then we're just going to add the savory turkey to the lettuce wrap. This is ridiculous. I need to get another spoon. There we go. And I'm sure that Jim will want two. So we'll slip another one in right here. I have butter lettuce out there in the greenhouse that will be ready probably in a couple of weeks. So there we have Jim's. Here's mine. So we're about to go over and sit down and have our little evening meal, but I'm going to just take a quick bite of it right here so we can get a feel for how it tastes. It's wonderful. Those foods that we added to give the turkey more flavor, boy, did it ever work. Lime is there, the garlic is there, cilantro is there. It's wonderful, and it's so easy. After you dice up the bell peppers, it only takes about 10 minutes to do this. So try this. And it is, let me read you what the nutritional information is. This is why I was drawn to this. It has about 250 calories per serving. It gives about 4 servings, and it has 24 grams of protein. Yay, so that's a lot of protein. It only has 2 grams of fiber, but we've already had our fiber for the day anyway, so it works just fine. So we're going to take a break now and go have our evening meal, and hope you enjoyed this and hope you try this. Quick, easy, delicious. So we will see you soon for more videos.